So I thought I'd just give you a quick peek at our little potager garden, and kind of the new centrepiece is this new planter, and Debbie's made a kind of fleece cover for it, which is really great. It looks really neat, and she's just sewn some Envirotect around it, and inside here we've got these beautiful lettuces, really great. So can't wait to take that cover off. In here we're going to put chard. I've actually just got the plants in here, they're just hardening off. In here we're putting kale, and I've kind of chosen the plants so that they'll just look really attractive in this kind of potager type garden arrangement. Got a little bit of spinach to go in here. We've got, is that celery or celeriac? I think it's celeriac in this bed. Because celeriac needs such wide spacing, we've got these salad onions. And then here we've got some shallots. And over here in this corner we've got celery. And just probably fill in these gaps around here with beetroot. And then down here we've got some spinach and some lettuces. And that's about it. It's going to look really lush with all these leafy greens in it. I'm really pleased with it so far.